Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to post into Instagram application by either iPhone. So the things we have to do first is just go up on the Instagram application and hold on until we generate and arrive in the first page on the Instagram. And this is the look, you are already in the home page. So the things that you have to do when we want to post something into our Instagram, you just go by click this plus button, and after that you just need to choose which photo that you want to upload into your Instagram. For example, this photo you want to upload this, you just need to go click and then go click next. If you want to resizing this picture, you just need to go click this to make it like bigger, like just fit into the frame 1:1 ratio. Or you can like also doing a zoom by pinch the picture with two fingers of your hands and adjusting the positions too. And after you're done, you just need to go click next. And now click another next if you don't want to do an editing, but if you want to edit this picture, you can go click the edit feature that provided by the Instagram application. But if you don't need any editing tools, you just need to go click next. And now you just need to go click add some captions into your post. For example, okay, and then after that you just need to click okay and go click share. That's all the way how do we do post on Instagram application. If you find that today's tutorial is get you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.